Aasalamualaikum guys. In this video, I will be creating a simple line graph using Matplotlib library. So before start this video, subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Let me import. Um, let me import my prestigious library, that is Matplotlib pyplot, as I told you in the last video that wherever and whatever, that is whatever might be your variable is comes here, and whatever you want to choose you can. For my convenience, I am choosing P. It will take time and it's done. And let me print the variable value of x, that is, it is up to you. Whatever you want to print you can. I'm just printing 1 2 3 and 4 here, and this accepts. And let me print the y value, that is 5 6 7 8, and this is done. Let me create another, that is x2 value, that would be is as same 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Let me create another, that is y2 value, which is also equals to as same or might changes whatever you want. So let it as 10 11 and 12. So what would be the lines of graph would be? Can you ever guess? Let's move on to next topic, that is the next line of the code. Since I taken p as a variable, so I have to use p dot plot as in the last program, that is x and y and label. Here label is the keyword in the Matplotlib library, and that is label I want to print is line 1. Okay, and closes with parenthesis. The library tells that the successful creation of the plot, that is the label in the program. Let me create another label, that is p dot plot as the same way, that is x2 and y2, that also I taken that there. So it is label, which is also the line 2 named. It is optional guys, whatever you want to name it you can. For my convenience I'm giving here 1 2. For you can able to do anything in programming. It throws me an error. What is that error? Let me configure that. So the value I given there is more than the first value, so that would not going to accept. Let me handle this value. So x1 x and y it accepts. For I want it to make x2 and y2 value. Let me also print that also as same as in the first one. It is, since it is two-dimensional chart, it would consist as a number of plot given there, 1 2 and 3. It will accept, and y2 it should have to be accept, because I am giving is the same as in the first one. So 13 and 14 it accepts. Let me rechange the value of x2. That I have to do is 1, 2, 3, and 4, because since I given their x as 4 value, this x2 should have to be a 4 value. Let me print that same one. p.plot x2 and y2 axis, that is label, which named as line 2. It will accept. It also throws an error because I'm doing something wrong there. Let me recorrect that. Here I give x as 4 and y as 4. I forgot to give here itself x as 4, y as 4. Let me copy this same function that is called to copy this x2 value. x2 is copied and should have to be pasted here. It will have to be 4. Since I given x as 4, it also has to be 4 because it is two-dimensional chart. If it is three-dimensional, it will be accept. If it is two-dimensional, it is delaying my output. But I'm the man that should have to get the output. I should have to take the output whenever and whatever be the line code is. So it is also I have to give the 4 of the value itself. Let me print this function again and it will be accept. Inshallah, let's say it accepts because it is a two-dimensional chart. Since it is two-dimensional chart, it is accepts. Let me print another value, that is p.xLabel. Here the label is the label which have to be printed as x-axis, okay, and it's shown this. The text is built on 0.5 dimension to 0 dimension. Let's say x y label, and that has to be y axis, and it will also accept and throw in the value of that axis. Let me print p.title of this chart. Title of this chart is gonna be a line graph. Since it is a line graph, so I'm giving the name as line graph. It also printed the same way, and I wanted to make p.legend function legend at hexadecimal. It is a function to print. Let me again do that legend, and it gives the successful value. And I want to p.show, that is to want to print out that prestigious chart. It will be printed. It is printed. Indeed, it is printed. So as I give the number 1, 10, 0.1, it will goes on to where I give the number. So the label, the line 1 I give there is the label, and line 2 is also the label. This is the plot in the x-axis and y-axis. So this is the title of the chart. This is how you are able to create the simple line graph. So thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much for everything. Bye bye.